The Space Shuttle. What a great choice for a video. Hi, I'm Csaba Moldvai, Applications Engineering Manager at Adesto. Today I'd like to talk to you more about the demo you've just seen. The Space Shuttle demo was made possible by using Adesto's EcoXiP external flash memory used along with NXP's new breed of flashless crossover MCUs, the i.MX RT1050 series. To demonstrate the low power and high bandwidth performance of EcoXiP, we've just released our evaluation kit built around the i.MX RT1052 and the EcoXiP ATXP032 Octal SPI flash memory. We have a series of tech shop videos coming up about EcoXiP, discussing, among others, the execute-in-place operation on a wide range of MCU controllers, so please stay tuned. In this video, I'll show you what's included with the EVK and how to set it up. So let's take a peek at what's inside, shall we? The kit contains the eval board itself. One USB cable to connect the board to the host PC, and an optional LCD display that you can use to run your graphics masterpiece you developed. If you order this version of the eval kit, the display comes pre-installed on the board. By the way, the display has a touch feature too that may come in handy for your next exciting project. This is the NXP i.MX RT1050 eval board. It has the following components: the just mentioned RT1052 MCU high-performance crossover microcontroller based on the ARM Cortex-M7 running at up to 600 MHz. A perfect fit for EcoXiP. The Adesto EcoXiP is a 1.8V 32 megabit Octal XXPI flash memory device. EcoXiP is spelled ECOXiP, and the XIP stands for execute in place, meaning that the code executes directly from the flash without the need for code shadowing. With EcoXiP, there is no longer a need for this time-consuming operation of copying code from the flash into the MCU SRAM at boot up time. The code directly executes from the flash in place, hence the name. This results in reduced boot up time and instant on capabilities. The communication between the MCU and the flash is based on NXP's Octal Flex SPI interface running at 133 MHz, which at dual data rate delivers a stunning throughput of 266 megabytes per second. Quite impressive. One of the key value propositions for EcoXiP is its exceptionally low power consumption without sacrificing performance and throughput. EcoXiP delivers significantly lower power at given performance levels than any other Octal device on the market in this category. Here's the USB port. It has three major functionalities. First of all, it powers the system. Next, it provides communication between the MCU and the host PC. And it also serves as a debugging port so that you can gain full access to the RT1052's internal logic while developing your code. This is an SD card interface that you can use as a generic storage device. It can also store images required for running demos, such as the Space Shuttle demo that you just saw. Now, all that's left to do is to connect the board to the host PC and get to the welcome screen. But before you do anything with the board, please check the settings of these dip switches here. The dip switch settings are in our configuration manual, which is available at this link or on the sticker on the box. After connecting the board to the USB port, the board will power up, and on the display you should see the welcome screen, just like this, followed by the Space Shuttle video. To demonstrate that the communication interface is functional, first we need to find out the communication port number assigned by Windows to this USB device. Right-click on the Windows Start button and select Device Manager. Under Ports, find out the COM port number associated with this device and take a note of it. In this case, it is COM35. Open a serial communication port such as PuTTY. Select the configuration, click the Load button, and make sure the correct COM port was selected. It is right now set to COM35. Click Open. Voila! A new terminal window will open with an active session. In this case, it shows the message from the MCU, the file name of the image that is currently being loaded from the SD card, decoded and shown on the display. You're now all set up and ready to go through the rest of the configuration with the introduction of how to develop your next project. We will show you how in our next video, so please stay tuned. I wish you all the best in developing what I know will be an absolutely phenomenal application using this platform right here. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.